Hey, how y'all doing? This is me, and that's him. He's my co-executive of the Redeneck wire stripper. See, I cut my finger, so I don't want to use no more knives. We take this here wire, got us a 2x4 here. It's got a hole drilled, 2 different holes for 2 different size wires. You got a screw in top that screws down into the wire, and it scores it so you can pull it apart. Well, here we go. You stick the wire in there. Maybe a notch on my screw so I can see where to tighten it down to. And it is tightened.
You want me to pull this one?
Yes, sir. Go ahead and pull it. You might have to put some channel locks or something on it to start pulling it to get it away from the area. Now you just start pulling. I wouldn't recommend doing it when you got dog poop in your backyard. Kind of stinks. Almost there. So now all you gotta do is take the insulation off the wire. Here, put that, I'll put it back. And that's the Redeneck wire stripper. Thank you.